Whole new breed coming in, and this is Shapoor Zadran. Big build, left arm, fast, medium. Running off a fairly straight run up.
And he bowls quickly, doesn't he? He does let it go. It won't be a little medium dobber, I tell you. Be interesting to see if this pitch has as much bounce and carry. Should have under lights. It's only 2 strips along, but he's got a yard of pace. A big, strong.
Oh well. We've all been talking about the bounce. It's a bit late coming.
Told you he'll go through. Lots of bounce and carry. Big, strong lad. That's a special delivery he's been working on. The Gazunda. Now, did this hit anything? Hit the pitch and just didn't bounce at all. Now Keysvetter's thinking, okay, the pitch we saw on telly against India is slightly different. What am I going to do?
That's a little better. Did you just use an Aussie expression a little while ago?
What was that, Marsha?
Goes under.
Goes under, yeah. It is 2 strips along, so it might be different. There's an Aussie, one of the best. Simon Taufel, brilliant umpire. We'll miss him. Going to retire at the end of this tournament, one of the best of all time. And with him, umpire Dan Messina, who was umpire of the year. CC's vote. At dinner the other night, good effort. Future and the past, maybe.
Bang on target. So what's happening with this good Chennai-born Englishman using Aussie expressions? You greeted me with the how are you doing mics today?
Travelling around with Chappelli, I think, unfortunately. 2 old uns, like having your granddads with you in the car, Lloyd and Chappor. It really is. News for anyone out there, David Lloyd's forgot his underpants in Sri Lanka. It's taken him 4 days to work out he's forgotten his underpants, but he has forgotten them.
And how would you know, Nasser?
I saw him shopping for some.
Yeah, that's more like the carry we thought there would be.
And a good start. I often think first couple of overs set the tone. You know, it just eases the nerves. 4 dots. They won't be too worried in there. They know they can catch up very quickly. But a good start.
I thought he'd be going shopping to get the right jacket and tie and to be with KP in the studio today. They seem to be enjoying themselves. Right, team batting first has won 4 out of 6 on this ground. England batting first today.
Now, I know it's early to call, but this is what at times concerns England a little bit. Keysvetter 5 dots. It's not an issue. You can so quickly catch up. And his strike rate at the end will be absolutely fine. You can imagine Hales at the other end just itching to get go in the tournament. But he's a very good player. Strike rate's okay. A few better, a few worse.
Oh, he's played on. So it's not just a wicket, it's a maiden over. It's a tremendous start for Shapoor Zadran. And I just wonder if he couldn't quite come to terms with the track, did Keysvetter. So England lose an early wicket without a run on the board, and that means Keysvetter's gone for a duck.
Yeah, good start from Zadran, not from Keysvetter. Just trying to run it down to 3rd man. What a brilliant over. That's why his captain won the toss and bowled. He wanted England under pressure. He's got England under